In this section, we're going to talk about the M12 Drain Snake. With bathroom sinks, these clogs aren't always the most difficult, but you still want to make sure you're able to get in and out of that job as quickly as possible. With the M12 Drain Snake, you're going to get the smallest, lightest, and most portable drain snake on the market, making it a great solution for those bathroom sink clogs. Now, we've made a few improvements with this tool compared to your traditional handheld drain snake. The first one you're going to notice is this protective shroud. When you have a spinning drum like this, it can be really dangerous on the fixture and yourself to have that exposed drum. So this shroud is going to do a nice job at protecting that fixture so that you're not marring it up. The second benefit you're going to notice is going to be this flat base. So traditionally, if you're going to be underneath the sink, you're going to have to make this a two-handed application because you're not able to set this tool down. By having this flat base, it's going to make it really easy to use this one-handed and be able to feed it while the tool is set down on the ground. Finally, we're going to have this locking mechanism here that's going to allow you to work that clog. The final improvement is having this on a cordless platform. With M12, you're going to get the performance that you need to be able to clear those tougher clogs on the bathroom sinks, just like you would expect to from that corded competitor. The final piece here is going to be our 5-gallon bucket that's going to come with this product. Now, when you're bringing out all that mess, you're going to be able to contain it and have it drain into that bucket so that now you can get on to your next job even faster.